cabin filter in the Mk6. It's pretty easy. Gonna show you how we get it done. I got the cabin filter off Amazon. It was pretty cheap. I think it was something like $15 or something like that, Canadian. So something that you could do yourself that you don't have to spend, all the money that some garage is trying to charge you to change your cabin filter. So this is what the cabin filter looks like. Came in this box. I opened it already. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Pretty good. So we're gonna be installing this. Original filter is right underneath the passenger side glove box. So you just have to remove these two there, two little screws, and then this will just come off. So let me get to removing that. Alright, so all you need is a flat head, and you should be able to remove it. Alright, so once you remove the two little screws there, just pull it off. And right back here, there's a little tab. Just pull on that. And there's your old filter. As you can see, this one's pretty dirty. Jeez. Alright. So that's the old filter. Here's the new one. Old, new. It's pretty dirty. Jeez. Alright. So I opened up the new one. So basically you're just gonna be doing the reverse of what we just did. There you go. And you just put the bottom piece there back and all done. Save yourself a whole bunch of money. So after you're done, you just have to put in everything back where it was. I'm putting it back up there. Just replace the screws. And you can hand tighten it back and job well done. And that's it. It's back together. As you can see, this is the part number I got off Amazon. And that's all you need to do to change your filter and save yourself some money. I'm gonna link the filter in the description below so you could find it easier. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.